Long, long time ago, I rode on the Chicago North Shore Railroad. Long, long time ago, I remember and loved that railroad. I would get on board on the Chicago CTL loop, traveling down on the Chicago round the scoop. When the train turned on the L loop, long, long time ago, I rode on Chicago North Shore Railroad. Long, long time ago, I wish it wouldn't discontinue, you know. It would go down 90 miles an hour, passing up the beautiful prairie flowers. It would go down Wisconsin, Milwaukee Street like a trolley car to see. Long, long time ago, I rode on Chicago North Shore Railroad. Long, long time ago, remember missing seeing that train, you know. Now that old and Herbert is gone, but a memory within me lives on. This railroad was ahead of its time, with the electroliner air-conditioned beauty that remembering really shine. Long, long time ago, I rode on Chicago North Shore Railroad. Long, long time ago, I wish it never had to fold. Wish it didn't have to go. Wish it didn't have to go. Wish it didn't have to go. Okay. Words by David Liebe Hart, Chicago North Shore Railroad. Okay, and music by Mr. Adam Papagan. Okay. Well, what? Words and music. See, words by David Liebe Hart, music by Adam Papagan. Adam Papagan.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.